Alright, this is my bike check. I got the profile stem, Kink links bars, ODI long neck grip, super soft. And then I got the Kink the Issue 2 frame, Bitch Shit Sports, Profile Elite, front hub, Demolition Zero rim, Primo spokes. Then I got the premium metal pedals, the Colt sprocket, KMC chain, and I got the Kink cranks. And I got the Kink Sexton seat with the stolen Thermalite seat post, Profile Elite back hub with the Primo spokes, Demolition Zero rim, and Demolition Momentum tire in the back, and Demolition machete in the front. That's my bike tech, bitch tits. Nigga.